Good morning, everybody. It is a matter of pride and pleasure today that the Literary Association of Department of English, Jayanand Vyas University, Jodhpur, is organizing a literary fest with a rich proliferation of intellectual enhancements. I congratulate Professor Kalpana Purohit and her team for this academic initiative of the guest lecture series with eminent speaker of our country conducted for the benefit of the students, research scholars and the literary aspirants. At the outset of this webinar, I congratulate the team of Department of English for organizing such a big event, and on behalf of Jayanand Vyas University, Jodhpur and my own, I welcome all the participants of this important lecture series 1. At the onset of this literary forum, I welcome the prolific guest speaker, Professor Nilufar Bharucha, former head from the Department of English, University of Mumbai, Maharashtra. Madam Bharucha is a director and scientist in charge at the Indian Diasporic Center. She is well known for her extensive chain of research publications and visiting professorship overseas. She is also honored with many prestigious awards for her rich vision and canonical contributions to the world of research and academia. This lady of reverence has served as a jury for the commendable Commonwealth Literature Award UK and for the Literature in English Award Sahitya Academy New Delhi. I am very happy today that this scholarly persona is going to deliver her rich oration on the changing paradigms of the world of diaspora. Her talks will be on from the Jehazi to the jet setter, old, new and transnational Indian diasporic literature and cinema. Friends, diasporic literature is basically identified and read as a literature of exile and displacement, where in the idea of homeland and migration narratives hold our psyche in a very peculiar manner. Over the couple of years, the intellectual minds have invested their interest in the enlarging domains of Indian diasporic studies. Indian diaspora encompasses the period from the 1830s to the present, and in a way it emphasizes over a geographical reading of 100 countries. There are over 25 million Indians in diaspora today, and it is probably the largest diasporic country after China. Pertaining to the diasporic readings enlivened in literature, we are reminded of the names like those of the erudite Khushwant Singh, Amitav Ghosh, Rohitan Mistry, Bapsi Sidhwa, and Jhumpa Lahiri, to name a few, have embodied the canon of literature with the sensitive thread of psychological and sentimental diaspora. Over the times, We have been living with this binding truth of our colonial past and how we are reminded of this historical episode in real and on reels. This altogether drives us again to the state of nostalgia and reminiscences. Today, owing to the present day crucial pandemic, we are again endorsed with a strong reflection on how the world is displaced with greater uncertainty of life and experiences, where the inevitable quest for home identity, space, and self is traumatized, ultimately leading to the loss of spiritual, emotional, and physical self. Friend, therefore, it seems to be a subject of endless speculation which can be understood profusely by the talk which follows now with the presence of the eminent scholar Professor Nilufar Bharucha. I also extend my good wishes to the curious elves of the Literary Association for their enthusiasm and high spirit. Always inspire for the best and add to the flame of the knowledge and wisdom to yourself. In the end, again, I welcome the guest speaker and all the participants of this event and for the success of this series for students, teachers, and eminent scholars. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.